Alright, I've gone into the woods. I didn't bother filming coming in. As you could hear, it's totally chucking it down, and we was like really rushed. I managed to get my DD tarp up in a sort of an A-frame. If it wasn't chucking it down so much, I would have spent a bit more time doing it a bit better. And in there I've got my bivvy tunnel tent, just about crammed it in. I'm out with Burton Outdoors. He's just setting his up.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello, sweaty wet head.
Yeah, he's got the same tarp as me. He's going with the Dutch Army bivvy. So I'll try to get you some video clips without knackering the phone. Here's my survival aids bivvy tent. The back end's right on the edge, so it's probably going to get a little bit wet, but in theory shouldn't need a shower, should be waterproof. But so I had to rush it really quickly, just prop that out because it was puddling up. That's that. Totally chucking it down. I forgot I had this spare lightweight tarp I used on my last camp. I sort of rushed it a bit, but just put it up there so I've got somewhere to sit under. There's not much room in there. Get my little chair in there. Blue's almost done. I think we're going to have the fire around here somewhere because the main path is along there. So sort of kicking, I think, over this side. Right, I'll show you what I've got. I've got the usual stuff, envelope shape, snug pack 3 season sleeping bag, Poundland pillow, cotton liner, and on the hopefully repaired regatta mat, and I wasn't too sure on that, so I bought a yoga mat as well. I'll be alright. And that's my bed for the night. I got this from the supermarket. I thought I'd try it out. London Fields Brewery White IPA. Does that say Wheeze Monkeys 5% beer. Thought the monkeys look kind of cool. Banana and citrus. So let's give that a go.
It's really boring for you guys. We're basically sitting in the middle of a woods miles from anywhere. How interesting can it get?
Quite nice, really.
Anyway.
Taste of banana. I think it would taste better if it didn't have citrus in it. Yeah, something different. Cheers. For a minute, I've got to get some wood, trying to make a fire. Got to make a fire because I'm soaked. These waterproofs I've got on are crap. I'm testing out my Gore-Tex waterproof trousers. They're quite good, although it's getting a bit wet on my knees. All good fun. We're just getting the wood together for a fire. It's not going to be too big of a fire. Just trying to dry off. I'll go look down there, see if I can find anything. Leaves up there, breaking up some wood. I've come down here, try to find like the finer wood, twigs and things. Quite a lot of it actually. Well, I managed to get it on the go. Use some of my homemade fuel blocks. Desperately needing this because I'm soaked. My top half is soaked to the skin. My crappy shower-proof jacket is crap. Another crap thing is this tarp. It's funny, see those water drops? That crazy. All these years of sleeping under it, but I've really put it to the test today because it's chucking it down, and that ain't waterproof. Alright, if you're going for a walk, maybe quick 10 minutes hide, but there you go. Got out and go. Gonna try to dry off by that. I'm alright under there, but if I lift this up, I could have sat under this tarp because that tarp's great. But there you go. That's what you do when you rush. It's all fun and games. Right, I've got the next one on the go. It's called Life and Death. 6.5%, but it doesn't taste that strong. Fruity salad, and it's actually quite nice. Tropical fruits. I really do like this one. I prefer this one than the other one. It's Life and Death. Cheers. Well, I've got some pork on the go. I've never cooked pork over the fire, I don't think. So this will be interesting. I've got to give it plenty of time to cook. Well, my steak's done. Go tuck into that and then get onto the wine. Right, it's quite late now. What's the time?
The exact time, Rick, is 11:37.
Oh. We was going to have a little fire, but it sort of slowly built up to a big fire. It's actually quite good because I'm pretty much dried off now. I'm happy. Just go let this die down basically and call it for tonight. Night night. Morning, campers. It's about 6 in the morning. Time to get up. Lee's up for me. Gooey. Had quite a nice sleep actually. I was quite comfortable, other than getting in a bit of a flap, trying to open the flap of the tent. I felt a bit closed in. I needed to open the door a bit and let some air in, but other than that, I had a good night's sleep. Toasty again. Just boiling up for a morning coffee. I need my coffee more than anything else. Food done. Lee's log burner's still going. And it's chucking it down. All packed away. That's where I had my tarp and everything. Just about managed to jam it all back in the bag. Bodged it a bit, but it's just to get it home. Lee's packed away. Ready to go. Right, it was a good one. I'll see you.
Yeah, cheers, mate. It's very good.
Yeah, cheers, mate. And really put our stuff to the test, didn't it?
Oh yeah, definitely.
It was
Yeah,
blooming
DD
rain.
all the way.
Yeah, DD tarp's fine. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Cheers, bye. That's right, cheers.
Not too keen on camping in this weather, I must say. Nice one, Rick. Cheers.
Yeah, cheers, mate.
No
See you
worries.
later.
Yeah, brilliant day out and evening out. Thanks a lot. It's although the weather's been crap, it was actually really enjoyable.
Yeah, it put our gear to the test.
Yeah.
I recommend going out on a day like this if it's chucking it down just to test your gear
I
out.
needed to test my tarp, so my DD tarp, no sponsorship. I needed to test it because it's never seen actual rain. There you go. It was
Done the job.
did do the job. Thanks a lot, mate. I'll see you soon.
See you later, mate. I tested my DD tarp out, as I just said. It's a dog's bollocks, basically. My cheap tarp I've used for years on solo wild camps. I've been quite lucky in the night, it hasn't rained much. It put it to the test today and it leaked like a sieve. It was crap. Right, I'll see you later. Cheers guys. Bye.